Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stay Home Grandmom, and again, this is Thursday Review. And I have got in May, I have two little girls whose birthdays they're both sisters. One is 8 and one is 4, and she'll be the 8-year-old, of course, will be 9, and the 4-year-old will be 5. So I got the unicorn cupcake holders. I'm gonna take them out because I'll wrap them up and give them to their mother tomorrow. Because May is, by the time you sneeze, it'll be May. I was just talking to a friend of mine today, and it's happening fast. They're growing up. These are my grandchildren. Actually, these are my great-grandchildren. And these are the cupcake holders. And they come in little rainbows and eyes on one side, rainbows on the other. And then these are the unicorn heads right here. So I thought that these would be really good for them to have the cupcakes. Because everybody's in the cupcakes now. And it is actually much easier to actually get the cupcakes. And then, I don't know whether they still sell this or not, but maybe the individual ice creams in the cups as well. But these I thought are very, very nice. And these are the cupcakes. And the little cake decoration. And these are the unicorn cupcakes. And so, again, there's 24 of these. They will be in the comments section. And if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.